Hey, what's up, folks? I want to make a quick video. I get asked a lot of questions, and a lot of them are, the same questions, and this is one of them, which is box truck insurance requirements. So I want to address this real quick. It's not too hard. As you can see, I'm at the FMCSA site, and the minimum for your FMCSA number for your MC number to go live is $750,000 in liability, and that can go up, depending on the freight. If it's non-hazardous, that's what it is. A van is 300,000, which is 10,000 pounds or less. That can be a small box truck, maybe a 12-footer or something. That's usually for expedited. So to go live, to get your MC number to go live, it's the minimum requirement is 750,000. Now, if you're gonna age your domain, age your authority, then that's a good way to go. I know people that age their authority for months. They pay like $400 a month in insurance, which they can handle, while they age their authority. But they have good credit and they have good driving record. But it varies, but it's definitely going to be less than what you're going to need to haul loads. If you want to haul loads, freight for your box truck, it's going to be more. You're going to need at least $1 million in liability, because at 750,000, no broker will touch you. You're gonna need $1 million in liability, and you're gonna need 100,000 in cargo insurance. Now, there's gonna be some times where the shipper will require $150,000 in cargo, depending on what you're hauling. Maybe it's worth more than 100,000, and they'll require this. And it's rare. It's very rare. And for me personally, I don't think it's worth it. I'll just move on to another load, because that means you have to pay more insurance. Obviously, you have to pay more money, and for one load, it's not really worth it. You'd have to call your agent and say, hey, up this to 150. So there'll be times where you're gonna need more cargo, but the best thing to do is just pass on and get another load. But I'd say about 99% of the time, you're gonna need $1 million in cargo, and no, 100,000 in cargo and $1 million in liability for any broker to work with you. And that's pretty much the norm. Amazon is a little bit different. They have other requirements too. If you go to relay.amazon.com, get started, it'll show you all the requirements. This is another good way. I tell people, if they want to age their authority before they go over the road, do Amazon, because you can work right away. But the thing with Amazon, like I said, there's more. You need more insurance, and with Amazon, you're pretty much just picking up pallets from the Amazon warehouse, and then you're shipping them. You're delivering them to post offices, and this you have to do on your own. They have a requirement. You need a lift gate, and obviously, because some of these post offices are not gonna have docks. So if you want to do Amazon, you just go to their page. I don't do Amazon, but it's a good way to age your domain, so that way you can make some money while your domain ages before you go over the road. But to go over the road, you only need $1 million in liability and 100,000 in cargo, and brokers will work with you with that. That's about it for now. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, because I make these videos all the time. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and when I get time, I'll make another video. Have a good one.